You enjoying your tea after playing with Rocco? Is it good? Bless him. Tucking into some food now. Boris and Pedro both look the same size now. This one's Boris. Boris! Hey! Boris! No, I'm more interested in food. Good. Bless them. Rocco, they're eating. They don't want you.